guys, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I have mukbang today. I just saw Fluff. Rude. Fluff! Stop it! Okay, sorry guys. Be professional. Okay. Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is not the, like the trending mukbangs, but it's what I saw at the shopping centre when I was at Woolies today, and I felt like some, because it's winter here guys. Even though my scarf's making me a bit hot. Anyway, let me tell you what I had today. First of all, I bought my drink from Dessert Lab in Mount Druitt, and it's taro frappe with mango jelly. I know. It's like a tropical combination, guys. Taro and mango. Aya, e mo geri oi Samoa. Anyway, guys, and I have soups. Because it's winter, I thought I'll get soup. Done my hair today, guys. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, get back to the food. So the soups today is minestrone soup. That's been around for years and years and years. Whoever came up with it was born years and years and years and years ago too. And that's, that's worldwide minestrone a lot of people love. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. And then I found potato leek. This is potato leek, guys. And then this one is sweet potato and pumpkin soup. Then my mum will love that. And then this one is the chicken and corn soup. Okay? And I bought these nice chicken wings as well from Woolies. $5. And you get about 5 pieces in there. Sometimes it's 4. I don't know if they do it by the weight. But yeah, 5. And then I have me 2 sesame buns. 2 buns, guys. Nay. Anyway, so that's it. Here's me looking around if there's more food. Leo, it stops there. Yeah. I'm gonna cut the buns so I can butter them. Gotta have some butter, and the crust is flowing everywhere. Today I got the Western Star butter because I ran out of New Zealand butter. And I was at Woolworth. I forgot all about it. I like New Zealand butter. Okay. So I'll butter those 2. And it's time to do a prayer, guys. Okay. And in this glass, I added Kangen water because this drink might get a bit too rich, and then you just want to water it down with the Kangen water. Okay. Anyway, for now, we'll see who's going to get it first. So it's about, I'll count to 7. 6, 7. Okay, pumpkin goes first. Oh, back lunky. I didn't mix it before. I just warmed it all up, guys. Make it as hot as possible. And then when I was getting my stuff ready, it started cooling down. So hopefully it's still got some warmth. Some warmth. Nice and thick, yummy. Yeah. Does it taste okay? See, that's the thing about pumpkin soup, eh? It's always yummy. You know what? Man, I could just eat this. Oh yeah, it was 4 for $10. When I used to go to primary school in Winley Primary School in Pararua, we had to fundraise, right? And it was 20 cents for a cup of soup and a bread. I was the stirrer at the soup pot. And my teacher's name back then was Mrs. McMorrin, was an old lady. But she still taught all the way to Well, I don't know, because I left, she was still there. Mrs. McMorrin. I remember I got her angry that much. Poor lady. Man, when you're kids, you don't really think. You just, you know, go like Kiki and not all the kids, just me. And she got so angry with me. I don't know. Poor Mrs. McMorrin. She probably wasn't having a good day. Anyway, so here's this wooden ruler. Oh, look at me. How rude. Nice bun. Sesame seed is nice. I like sesame seed. My kids, oh, there's a bit of chili in there. Mm. You can feel the bit of hot. Yeah. Man, I'm jumping around. That's really, really yummy. I just noticed it says low fat, and that's low fat. And excuse you, does it look like I need a low fat? That's nice. That's nice. Anyway, how's everyone? Alright, better get back to the story of Mrs. McMorrin. Back in the days, I don't know if it's still around. You get the thin wooden ruler, and then you get the slightly thicker one. Okay? Well, that ruler was in front of me when this teacher got so angry. And back in those days, you can get the strap. Okay? Yeah, I've had a couple of straps. Oh, naughty. The things I tell you guys, oh. Hey, there were some naughty bits, and there was some, hang on, I'm trying to think if there was some well-behaved bits. But anyway, she was that angry with me. She picked up this ruler, and she smacks my hand. She just gets my hand, she turns it like this, and she starts whacking it. On the third whack, it broke. She was that angry. She turned pink on the face. And yeah, she turned pink on the face, and she was really angry. But the ruler broke. Then she sent me off to the headmaster, the principal. Now, in my defense, I was thinking, so you smack me 3 times and I still have to go to the office? That's like anger management material. No, I mean, smack me and then tell me off and then leave me there. But no, she sends me to the office. Okay, that's enough of that. Let me try 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I end up back here. This is chicken corn soup. Anyway, so I go to the principal's office. Now, this principal knows me. Not normally for good stuff, but he knows me. But he's a really nice teacher, a headmaster. Can't really remember his name because I didn't see him that much. I saw my teacher every day, so that's why I remember her name. But I remember he come out and he goes, "Oh, what's wrong?" And I said, Mr. McMorrin said to come down to the office. And he said, "So you're not settling down?" I wasn't sure what he meant, but I just gave him a smile. Anyway, this principal to me was a fair man. So he had started this, I don't know if it's the norm, but he has started this thing in the office. So he wanted me to go there and help him sandpaper. He was showing it to me, so I started sandpapering. And then he said to me, well, I'll leave you to it. I'll just go and I'll come back later. Now, I wanted to impress him, so I went and sandpapered this. I probably sandpapered everywhere, but listen, it was probably just a little area, but your book or you go sandpaper this, sandpaper that. I just sandpapered, and I didn't want to go and tell him I'm finished because I didn't want to go back to see Mrs. McMorrow because she was angry at me. This is nice. A bit undersalted, but it's alright. Too much salt, not good. It's different from the normal chicken corn soup you get from the Asian restaurant. So a Palangi might have made this. No. So it's nice though. I wonder what's the ingredients. It's got some I don't know if it's mint. How rude. I didn't even give you guys a try. I just This is actually nice. See, Woolworth makes them. So if you want a soup, they're on sale at the moment. 4 for $10. These expire on the 6th of September. So they still got some, kicking. They still got some kick in it. So, this is nice. I like that too. So far, it's 1, 2, 3. And then next minute, boom, nice butter. I tell you the story about me going to the choir. Okay, I know. La 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 la, la 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 la. Wait, that's din 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 din. If I pour out again, not me. I'm already married. We had to go and sing at the recreation centre or town hall or something. And there was going to be a lot of people, and you had to wear like any colour down the bottom, but it had to be a skirt, and it can be any colour, but the top must be white. Anyway, so lucky I had one of those. So the plan was our school and other schools, singing at this town hall, recreation centre. Can't remember, but I said it to my mum that I wanted to go to it, and she told me to just stay home. And then she asked me, where is it? And I told her, and she said no. The reason being, we don't have a car, and it was gonna be at night time, and she had to go to work anyway, because my mum used to clean at the hospitals. So I'm gonna move on to this one. So anyway, so I really, really wanted to go away. Okay. The masangi meat. You know what it tastes like? Oh. don't want to put down the hands that made this, but it tastes like, you know, the stuff that you put on top of your taco and all that. That's what that tastes like. Pardon me. So I'll go back to the leg. You know, so I wanted to go to this choir thing because to me, I earned my spot in there and I wanted to be with my class. So it started at 6 and they said it was going to finish at 9 p.m. But back then it got dark fast, right? So from Cannons Creek you had to walk all the way to Pororoa. Pororoa, it's past you had to go underneath the tunnel to get to the other side of the station. And then you had to go walk down a bit and then there's this whole thing there. Anyway guys, I don't know who was going to take me. So what I done, I got dressed up, I wore what I wore. I didn't tell my siblings because my brothers, they're snitches and we're kids and they were going to double me, right? So I had a shower, got dressed and done my ponytail and I started walking. I knew I had a long walk to go, but I wanted to go. Now if my mum was home, I wouldn't go, so she'll come searching for me and I'll get fussy. Okay, I just leaked. I walked all the way there and it started getting dark and everyone was getting together. It was such an exciting time. See all the parents and the teachers, all the students, everyone's excited. I'm excited. So we have to wait for this first group to sing and then we all had to get up and they're like there's chairs and we all got to stand on them, so there's like 2 different rows. Anyway, I was right on the end, I remember, right on the end. I could have fallen off, broke my neck, Anyway, I remember, and the song that we had to sing is teach your children well, and here's me, and little Mopi B, go all the way there without permission. Anyway, all was said and done and we had a good night. We felt like we were all Mariah Careys. Anyway, but listen, everything was so good. The night was one of the best nights of my life. So when we were singing, you can see all the faces smiling, all happy for hearing us sing. And that was awesome. I didn't want the night to end, but it ended. So guess what, guys? When it ended, I was going to ask a girl in my class if I could, you know, get a ride off them. By now it's just a little past 9, I think. And it was time for us to go home with our parents. It was dark. I had no one. So while everyone's going, holding their parents' hands, going to their cars, closing their doors of the cars, and I was wishing I was in one of them. But no, I had to walk all the way back. But at home, I had put, I made a pretend person underneath my blanket. And I said, before I went to sleep, I said to my father that I was going to go to sleep. And he said, yeah, I'm boy. Not clicking. Why is he going to sleep early? And lucky none of my snitch brothers come to visit the room in case they might go, hey, ooh, and run and tell, you know? Those fake colour ones. Yeah. It was so funny back in those days when us and our brothers, when me and my brothers would have our little fights, we'll go and mess each other's beds. That was our attacks. Form of attack. We miss each other's bed. It's annoying. It's annoying because you already went through the trouble of making your bed, because our mum's rule was Ai ale leao, ke ula muenga. Make your bed. She was strict on that. So, anyway, yeah, getting ready to take that long walk home. I walked home, so what I done, I started singing just to keep me company while I was walking home. I sang this song, I sang that song, and before you know it, I was home. Anyway, stop being a crybaby, stop it. Ole kangi vale. That was the ugly bit of the story, guys, is walking all the way after. Walking there was good because I couldn't wait to see the teachers, all the kids and the other schools. I was looking for it. I was so excited. It was one of the best things that I've ever been during school. Wow. Hey my God, I got chicken here. I just wanted to put it here for the decoration of my actually aisakashi. Just eat one. And another thing, out of the packets that I bought, there was only one wing. One wing. Cheers, guys. Gotta drink my chicken water. Yeah. They're big chickens too. This is what they call buffalo. And these orange ones, they're they're called Chinese chicken. Chinese flavor chicken. Chinese chicken. Yeah, I like the flats. Have you guys ever sneaked away from home and then make it back without your parents knowing? Drop it down below. Drop it down below. I'm thinking that you guys are going to put down, yeah, I remember when I sneaked out to go nightclubbing. Anyway, drop down your fellas' stories if you have any to share with me. That was so worth it. To me, it was worth a beating. It was worth a telling off. It was worth it. But lucky, I wasn't caught out, and none of my brothers checked my room because they would have snitched. Back when we were little, man, you know, like, if you did something to upset the other one, they're gonna wait. When you do something wrong, they're not gonna hold back to tell. I know this is taro, but it's taro. Oh no, this is from Dessert Lab. This is taro frappe. Yum! It's got a different, boost to it. Man. Oh, and it's a little long mango jelly. They even have strawberry milk. Delicious. Yummy. Well, you know what? Sorry, Goncha, but if I want a taro drink, I'm gonna go to Dessert Lab. Now, Dessert Lab is in Mount Druitt, guys. So if you guys are far from Mount Druitt, I'm really sorry. But at least I told you it's nice. I was watching Simply Danielle last night, and she was talking about meeting 1-4. I was buying sushi for my daughter. My daughter Chalora, she loves sushi. That girl loves sushi. She's a real seafood. She is her father's daughter. Her big sister And Mickey, she's a seafood lover too. They take after their father. So Laura and Mickey. Because those girls can eat seafood. Anyway. So, I was standing there looking for some sushi to eat. And then this person stood beside me. And I can hear them talking, two of them. Because there was two voices I heard. And then I thought, hey, that sounds familiar. It sounds like that 1-4 guy. I look over, he looks at me, and he stares at me. And then I look at him, and I look down. And then that's it, I thought. I just finished listening to Simply Danielle talking about Beauty 1-4. Yeah. And I'm not shy to ask for a photo. But I was thinking, now, the girl's doing a sushi, they're in the middle of a conversation. I don't want to disturb them. And I just want to get the food and get out of there. Because, guys, I've got to come and do my mukbang. Because my mama will be home from her excursion. And I just did my hair. And I'm all in a happy mood to come and tell you guys about the story when I took off from home so I can go do the singing at the choir. Anyway, so my hands are full already because I had shopping, you know. So what I did, took out my camera, faced it, took a picture with the 1-4, the main singer at the background. It's on my Instagram, guys. And I wrote, who wants beef with 1-4? Stop it. No. 1-4 is our local guys. That's right. 2770. That's a postcode. Okay, sorry about the mute movies. I had a shout out book, but I left it in the garage, so guys, but you guys and your fellow support concerning the Eat Less and, you know, chow. Look, I don't want this person that left that comment to feel, you know, bad, you know, being, you know, I really don't. Because I was telling my husband, he goes, oh, nah, Daddy, you need credits. Credits? Yeah. And I said, yeah, I know. Yeah, I do. Yeah. Because I tell you what, guys, if we don't know what people are thinking, you know, like, we need it for... Hey, my hair looks a bit high. I've got this little mirror on the side in case I got a fussy flower here or fussy, and I could see it. But yeah, we need, is it credits? Credits. See, that's how you guys know I'm so fresh as a daisy. Yeah. So my husband said I need credits, but not bad swear words. Just say something. If there's something you guys don't like or something, I don't mind to hear it. I don't mind because it will better me. You know, it will better me, then I know, try not to do that, try not to do this. But I really want to say a big thank you to all you guys, my lovely viewers who's come to leave down really uplifting comments. I just felt so loved, honestly. I read it right through and I was feeling all the love coming from wherever you guys are staying. Thank you so much. Very lucky. I'm very fortunate to have you guys. I know you guys think, man, this lady can talk. Woohoo! But I'm sorry, okay? If I talk too much, sorry. I just do. And see, and then when I done that no talk, less talk and no talk, yeah, I got some growlings from my viewers too, like, Faye, don't you ever do that silent move again. But I know, you guys just want to hear me blab on, blab. I know. This is my happiest, guys. I love being in front of the camera only because I love, I don't know, I always say this, us Pollies, we have something to offer, you know, because we're funny and we're good communicators. Some of us are a bit aggressive, but only because someone picks on us. That's how. I know. But we're good people. we Pollies are good people. Yes, I believe we are. Everyone is good people. Put it that way. Everyone's good. And anyone gets upset when they're being picked on or whatever. That's why, guys, never pick on anyone. I learned from my mother that if you see something wrong with someone, don't whisper to the next person about that person. Just look and then understand it's just the way it is. Someone's knocking. I better go. Anyway, guys, the soup was really yummy, but I think it's time for me to leave because my mum is here now. Yeah, she just got dropped off by her carers that she goes with. And now it's time for me to go and see if she's eaten. And don't forget, guys, just be good to one another, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Fast way forward. Take care. Don't forget, always sending praises to God.